Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be exploring how you could promote your CPA marketing offers with the help of this platform right here, which is called the Pictory Ai. And this is a cool and amazing platform where you could just simply go on to creating some cool and amazing videos right here, because the video creation has actually been made easy for you. You can automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long form content with this particular AI tool, because it has been made easy, quick and cost effective. You don't need any technical skills or software download to actually take advantage of this particular platform. As you could see right here, you do get to gain access to a free trial, but you can actually go on to clicking on pricing to actually check out the pricing plan of this particular platform, where you could see right here that you do have to gain access to a standard plan, and you could see the premium and the themes plan right here. You could see the respective amount for each and every one of those plans right now, and you can actually just scroll down where you can actually see the features of each plans right there. So once you actually do check out all these guys, you could see people that actually uses the Pictory AI are actually YouTube creators, marketers, social media managers, agencies, bloggers, course creators, coaches and Vietnamese users. And guys, you want to take advantage of this AI tool right now, because once you do go on to creating an account and log into your account, you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. As you can see right now guys, to go on to creating cool and amazing images on this platform, you could actually, or videos right here, you could actually convert your script to video. Maybe if you do have your script in the clipboard of your account, go on to converting that to video. Right here at this section, you could convert articles to video just by pasting the link of that particular article and convert that to videos. You could also edit your videos which you already have using text. You could see that is actually recommended for adding subtitles to videos, cutting portions of your videos, or adding some cool stuff right here to that particular video. You could also convert your visuals to video right here for this section. But what we're actually going to be focusing on today right here is converting your script to video, and you can see that is actually recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, and for step-by-step guides. So guys, in order for you to do that, you just want to come right here, click on proceed. Once you do click on proceed, you'll be brought to this particular page right here, where you just want to come right here and paste the content which you want to convert to a video in this particular section. And guys, before you do convert the content or get the content which you want to convert to a video, you want to make sure you do have a CPA marketing offer in mind which you want to go on to promoting. And if I do want to get CPA marketing offer from this platform called CPA Grip, I'm just going to head on to the CPA Grip website, which is cpagrip.com. If you don't have an account, click on register, where you'll be brought to this page where you just simply have to go on to filling out this form appropriately. Make sure you do focus more on the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs, because that actually indicates the necessary or required field which you must fill before your account can actually be created right here. Once you're done filling out all those, read the terms of services, and if they are okay by you, agree to them by checking out all these boxes. Click on register now, and you can actually create your account right here. You can then go on to logging into your account, where you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. So once I'm brought to this dashboard, basically what I'm going to do right now is to come onto the offer tools, click on my offers, to actually go on to selecting offers which I want to promote. Right here guys, I'm just going to filter this offer and select offers from the United States demographic. As you can see right now, I'll be showing some offers available to that demographic. What I'm going to do right now is to select a sweepstake offer, and this is an example of a sweepstake offer right here, which is a giveaway of $750 to spend towards your summer style. And you can actually see that you actually need to get leads from the United States that are actually using an Apple iOS device, and all they have to do is to submit their email address or zip code while going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link right here, and you do get paid $2.31. And right now guys, you could just simply copy this link right here, head on to a platform called the tinyurl.com, and if you do head on to that particular platform, as you could see, it's loading right now. You could use this particular website to go on to shortening your lengthy URLs right here, just by coming to this section, pasting in your URL, click on shorten URL, and your short URL will be created right now, which you can then copy and promote this offer. And now that we've gotten an offer to promote, guys, you want to just simply go on to generating a content, which you want to just simply go on to converting to video right here with the help of another AI tool called the ChatGPT. So right now, guys, you can see that I'm directly in the ChatGPT right now. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write a call to action for this particular CPA marketing offer, which I want to promote right here. So guys, you can see right now that I asked ChatGPT to generate a call to action for a giveaway worth $750 to spend towards your summer style, and ChatGPT actually went on to writing a cool call to action right here for this CPA marketing offer. You can see right here it says, get ready to make waves this summer with a chance to win a fantastic $750 giveaway towards your sizzling summer style. Whether you're planning beach trips, poolside parties, or tropical adventures, this is your opportunity to revamp your wardrobe and make a fashion statement under the sun. Imagine strolling down the boardwalk, turning heads with your assembled and feeling confident in every step. And guys, with $750 to spend, you can indulge in trending swimsuits, breezy sundresses, and a lot more right here. But what I'm going to be focusing more on right here is these steps on how to enter this particular offer. You can see right here it says follow the social media platform for updates, like and share this post to spread this summer style, and tag 3 friends to forward, or 3 fashion forward friends who need summer style upgrade. And guys, right there you can see it also gave you hashtags. I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to copy this particular section, head on to Pictory Ai right here and paste in this particular section. So once that has actually been pasted, you can see that this is actually saving up right here. I'm just going to come right here, click on proceed, and I'm going to go on to selecting a template right now. So if I do select a template, I'm going to select the aspect ratio to this template, and if I do select the 16:9 aspect ratio, you want to just simply select something based on what you intend on promoting that particular video on. Because if I want to promote this video on normal YouTube videos like you are watching right now, I'm going to select the 16:9. If I want to promote it on YouTube Shorts, I'm going to select the 9:16. Or if I want to use Instagram stories or Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels, you want to use the 9:16. Or if you want a square video, use the 1:1 right here. So once you do select an aspect ratio, it's going to go on to analyzing your script right there. I'm going to go on to creating a storyboard for that particular script. And guys, your storyboard is actually going to be a combination of different scenes, because your script will be split into different scenes, and a video will be selected for each scene based on the content in that particular scene. So right now, guys, you can see that my storyboard has actually been created, and what this AI tool actually did is I split my script into 12 scenes right here, and it actually went on to selecting a video for each scene. If I keep scrolling from scene to scene right here, you can see that this video was selected for the scene 2. If I go on to the scene 3, you'll be able to see that a different video was selected for that particular scene right there, and you can see the video actually playing on the background. You could go on to maybe editing this scene via these icons right here at the bottom. You could see the entire estimation of this particular video. You could go on to changing the size of this particular section right here. Maybe if you do want it in the landscape or portrait or the square, you could change that via this section. You can see the duration of this scene right here, which is about 23 seconds. You could either reduce that or increase that based on your preference right here. And if you don't like the video in the particular scene, just simply come right here to visuals, where you can actually go on to library and select a video for this scene. If you want to just simply search for a particular type of video, just simply put the keyword right here and search for that, and you'll be able to see videos related to that particular keyword. So you could come right here to my uploads to actually upload a video from your device and make use of that for the scene. You could come to the elements section to actually add in stuff like emojis, GIF and stickers to your video right here. Go on to the audio section to add in background music. As you can see, there are a lot of background music on this platform which you could take advantage of, and they are categorized based on mood, purpose, genre and duration. But you can actually go on to uploading voiceovers also. By going on to the voiceover section right here, you can upload from your device either the background music or voiceover to actually use for this particular video. You could head on to the text section to add a text, such as a heading, subheading or body text. You could go on to maybe the style section to select the style that you want to use for your video right here, and the style actually depicts how you want your subtitle to actually be shown in your video. There are different type of styles right here which you could select from, and just simply select one that you're actually suitable to you. And once you do select that, guys, you want to just simply go on to branding section to actually edit this section based on your preference. You could add an intro, you could edit the scene, or edit the outro right there. And lastly, head on to the format section, and in this format section you want to select the video resolution of your choice. I'm going to select the 1080 pixels right here. You also have the chance to select the aspect ratio again once more. And once you are done editing this particular video, because in the particular story right here, because we actually put in some steps right here which says check the link in the video description to complete a survey and win right here. So that's actually one of the steps which I actually did add to this particular video. And once I do finish editing this, I'm just going to go on to previewing this, and I could just simply go on to downloading this video. And once this video has been downloaded, all I have to do is to go onto social media platforms like Facebook to go on to promoting this particular video right there. As you can see, if I do go on to searching for Facebook groups which are actually related to giveaways, you can see a lot of groups which I could go on to promoting this particular video. And once I'm promoting that video, guys, I'm going to put in among the caption the link right there to gain access to that particular giveaway offer, because in that particular video you already told them that they have to complete a simple survey to gain access to that particular product prize right there. So a lot of them will be interested in completing that survey, and if they do that, you do get paid $2.31. That is once you do get a qualified lead. And you want to just simply head on to other platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and a lot more other platforms right there. You could also take advantage of YouTube. Come right here, click on this plus icon, click on upload video, and you can then go on to uploading that particular video from your device right here onto YouTube. And you also want to make sure that the link right there to this particular CPA marketing offer is made available to them in the description of that video, because if you could recall, we actually shortened that particular link right here on tiny URL. Make sure that this link right here is copied and inserted in the description of your video right here on YouTube. And if you do that, guys, you'll be able to start driving traffic to that particular CPA marketing offers with the help of this AI tool called the Pictory AI right here in the year 2023 and beyond. So guys, I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.